Yeah, so the young fella came home with this foam glider from Kmart. He spent $13 on it, and it's quite cool, about 80cm wingspan. But what's really neat about it, if you look carefully, you can see she's actually got markings for ailerons. So it got us thinking maybe we could cut the nose off it and put a small prop on it, wee electric motor, and we'll get the cap off here and we'll put a receiver and speed controller in here, servo maybe here for the ailerons, and another one in here for the elevators. Have a wee 3-channel radio control plane. Maybe even just put a small sinker in the front, add a bit of weight, and see how it goes as a slope soarer. But yeah, $13, can't really go wrong. It's got a wee bend in the fuselage, but we'll put a skewer in there to straighten that out and hold it straight, and should be good. There's a few of them on YouTube, videos on how to make these. We'll have a look at those, and could be a good school holiday project. Yeah, we've got a couple of old homemade nut balls that we don't fly anymore, so we'll be able to use the electronics from those. Make one up. If it works, we'll make another one up and be able to fly together and have a bit of fun. But it looks like it'll glide really well, so I sort of think get it up to height, and it won't take much power to keep it in the air. Go from there. We're not going to worry about a rudder, because really we only use those normally when we're taxiing, and this is going to be a throw launcher, and it can skid in on its belly onto the grass when it lands. So yeah, this is part 1. Part 2 we'll get on to in the next few days, once we've taken that canopy off and cut the ailerons and bits and pieces, and see where we go from there. But hey, if you've made one of these or you've got any advice, throw some comments below, and subscribe and follow us and see where this project's going to go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.